Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Vamsi Reddy. Today we are going to discuss about one of the topic is Fibonacci sequences. Why I have started this videos on Python of writing the simple codes for beginners level means because it will help for the who are learning the Python beginner. So they want to learn some of the simple codes, how the logics are works, how the coding are going on. This is the basic steps, the basic things they want to understand when they are start learning of Python or after completing of Python in between of the Python. So for that case only I have started this interview question series. Like this is a simple techniques on codes. Every beginner of a learner, he can easily understand about this logics. They can easily implement it by his own. This is all over that why I started this. Okay, let's move into the topic. This topic is Fibonacci sequence. What is actually the Fibonacci sequence means? It means the sum of preceding numbers. Like initially there is two numbers like 0 and 1. If we sum the two numbers 0 and 1, we get the 1. After that, for getting the next number, we want to sum the preceding two numbers like 1 and 1. It will be 2. Like you can clearly understand about the Fibonacci series. Let's move into the code. It will simply understand. Okay, let's start. I am given the terms. How many terms I want, like terms is equals to input. I'm only in integer values. I want only the integer values as an input. Enter. For user case, the user want to enter the number of enter number of terms you want, or the some enter the number of terms, how many terms they want. So firstly I am initially there are the two ones like 0 and 1. So I'm initializing first n1 comma n2. This is the two initial bits like 0 comma 1. These are the two initial bits, whereas it starts from 0 to 1, and I am storing the all the values in is equals to count. I am storing these values into the count, or we can write we can change the variable like fib. I am storing the all the terms of the numbers into the fib. This is the thing are the simple things, and I'm using if statements. Here the conditional statements are the main important, because if we input this so many times, like if you enter the 0 terms, it not works on that. If you enter the 1, it's a positive number. So more than 1, it means more than 1 or 2 terms it will works on. Okay, let import. Let's I'm using this if statement. I want the terms less than equals to 0. If the terms is less than or equals to 0, print. What message I want to print means please enter the positive integer. It is a meant because what we have given the is if our enter what we have entered the term is equals to 0, it means we want to enter the positive thing. So like 1 greater than 1 or 2, like that. Please enter positive number or a positive integer or etc. So that's it. If else, it means if terms equals to 1. So the initial bits are 0 and 1. This is the common for for this Fibonacci sequence. If we enter 0, please enter the we want to enter the above 1 term. So for that case, if we enter the 0 or less than greater than or less than or 0, so it will check this, please enter the 1. If else, if terms equals to 1, if we enter the terms equals to, if one term, if we execute one term, so what we have get means Fibonacci sequence up to n terms, like Fibonacci sequence up to terms enter. I will execute you each and every step. You can clearly understand about that. Finally, we want to know that print what type. We want to print only the number one term n1. This is the thing, main thing, because we are entering only single term. It will shows the n value n1. It means n1 value shows. And finally, else we want to print the else statement. Here the else condition is the main thing, because this is the main step for printing the Fibonacci print. I am copying all the things, Fibonacci sequence and paste over here. This is a Fibonacci sequence method. From here we are generating these Fibonacci sequences. Okay, and I'm using the while condition, WHILE, while fib greater than or fib less than terms, less than terms, up to it will be iterated for the that up to the fib number is equals to the what we have, what less than the terms of what we have entered the terms. And I'm printing the value of print n1, and this is a simple logic. Nth term equals to n1 plus n2. Why I'm using this is a logic, this is a main logic. Here there's a and what I said, the definition of Fibonacci sequences means preceding sum of preceding values, like some of the preceding numbers. So that preceding number is n1 and n2. Here what the number is stored here, n1 and 2 as a preceding numbers. And if you want to update the values, like n1 equals to n2 and n2 equals to nth. Now fib equals plus, I'm initializing plus 1 up to the n. So this is the logic of the code. Let's get you, if you get any error, let's try it. So I'm entering 5. So this is the Fibonacci series of 5, like 0 1 1 2 1 preceding numbers. Some of the preceding two numbers we can get. Previously I have said here, if we enter the 0, what we get, please enter the positive numbers. Like that, if we enter the 1, what we get only the 0, because the preceding one is 0. So please enter that. This is the thing, I logic of these things of Fibonacci series, like given 62. These are the values of preceding numbers of 62. This is the preceding sum of the 62. The terms of 62 terms preceding number is like that. This is a simple logic code. You can clearly understand about this. This is the main logic here. These are the main logic. Please remember this logic. I hope you can try yourself, and you can get everything. If you have any doubts, please make sure the comment. I will surely answer for you. This is all overall about this video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to more updates about data science and AI for the interview preparation also. Okay, man. Bye. Take care.